Hey, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to jump on here today and show you guys how I find stocks to trade. So, how I was able to find Uber to find this good opportunity to the downside. I think I posted a little bit about it before, but basically, I go on TradingView and I use um, their stock screener strategy here. So if you go on TradingView, you go to products and you find screeners. You can click stocks and you're able to screen stocks to whatever you want. And I'll show you guys what I do and what helps me find the best stocks to trade. So if we go right here, if you go to the right hand corner right there, the three dots, the column setup, it'll give you 100 different things that you can filter with. These are the ones I use. Market cap. So for market cap, this is measuring the size of a company. So we know, like for instance, Apple has a market cap of, I don't know, maybe it's at 2 trillion or something now, um, or a little below 2 trillion. We see our pre-market change from open percent, pre-market volume, price, relative volume, and volume. So for I use all of these and I filter it like this. So for market cap, I change it to 10 billion to 2 trillion. So what this means is it's going to show us stocks that are large cap to mega cap stocks. So these are our Ubers to our Teslas to our Microsofts. So stocks that people trade, so you know there'll be a lot of shares available. Number two is volume. So for volume, I need at least a million shares of volume being traded on average per day. Below that, it'll be very difficult to get in and out of trades. And it may not be optionable. Number three, relative volume. So relative volume means volume in comparison to daily volume. So if the daily, sometimes it moves around like this too, guys. You just have to move it and match this up. But anyways, so relative volume is volume in comparison to the normal volume. So if Uber is usually trading at a million shares, or if Uber is usually trading at 20 million shares of volume, today it's trading at 100 million shares of volume. That means it's 5 times greater than usual. So the relative volume would be 5. And then there is pre-market volume. I want that at least above 200,000. And the reason for that is I want to know, or I want to make sure that there was a lot of people interested in this even before the market opened up. So even before the market opens up, I can look and see that I can look at my direction and make a game plan, And then I have pre-market change from open percent. That's not super important, but we can just see how much the stock changed from the open. So first thing we have is Uber. So if we open up Uber right here, so I seen Uber was the first stock that was on the stock screener. It had a relative volume of 4, which is huge. That means this thing is trading 4 times greater than normal with a volume of almost 100 million. So that means it usually trades at about maybe like 23, 24 million. So in pre-market, I can see yesterday, if I get rid of all of my indicators, I can see that yesterday's low was here at 27.29, and in pre-market Uber drops to about $25, right? So it's down 7% in pre-market. So is this bearish or bullish? It's bearish, right? It's on the downside. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for rejection from either the moving average or my supply levels. So I seen this level for Uber and our 50-day moving average. We can see it has been trading below the 50-day moving average. So I expected a lot of buyers will not come in to push it above this level, because it's the 50-day moving average, and there was this huge dip, and there's this supply level, and we always look at the overall market, and SPY was also on the downside. So once it came into this 25.85 level, I grabbed some puts with a 5% stop loss and wrote it down for a 10% gain. So you can do the same thing with all of these other stocks, because you know it'll move because there are buyers and sellers due to that relative volume and that volume in pre-market. So that's all, guys. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and let me know if this helps you. Peace.